Welcome to my New York City apartment tour. This is my dream apartment. I've been here for almost 2 years now, and as you know, I moved from LA to this apartment. It was really tough to find an apartment in New York that just offered everything that I needed. But once I looked at this, I knew that this was the perfect spot for me, right? I have my office here, I have my YouTube studio, and I have a lot of things that I want to show you guys. And I have an absurd amount of amenities, like a legit treehouse, a sauna, billiards room, a really nice lounge, golf simulator, a full-size basketball court, and a bunch of others. So I'm gonna show you around. This is the living room. This honestly, just a dream living room. We have incredible views of the New York City skyline. You can see the sunset right now, sun is going down. You can see the Brooklyn Bridge back here. All the busyness, all of the motivation, inspiration that you get from New York City right from the living room. Maybe my favorite upgrade to this living room was this credenza here. It just fills the space so nicely. I love the marble and the walnut right here. It just brings it all together. I also needed some warmth. My things are very black, white, and stone, marble. It was feeling a little cold, and I really think that this did it. I added this lamp right here, which I think looks really cool. I like ambient lighting like this. This is a Samsung frame TV. I like having different pictures in here, changing it up once in a while. I have some really interesting books. I've become a plant dad lately. I've been taking care of plants recently. This couch, I absolutely love this couch. This is a modular couch. It's not very comfortable, not gonna lie. It is really low, and I needed something low here because I didn't want anything blocking the actual view of the apartment. This is a CB2 mirror that I had in LA, and I brought it with me. As someone who is showing his outfits a lot on Instagram, this is the perfect mirror to just capture your entire outfit from head to toe. So if you guys see some pictures on my Instagram story or Instagram, this is it. This is the mirror selfie spot right here. Something I forgot to show you is my new baby, my John Mayer Martin guitar. This is the 20th anniversary edition. It's a limited edition, and when John Mayer announced it, I just knew I had to have it. I'm a huge John Mayer fan. Absolutely love his music. I also recently picked up this chair. It's very comfortable, it's cozy. This is something that I brought from LA, and I love it. I love the chrome. I love how clean it is. I think it's from CB2 or Crate & Barrel as well. Also brought this from LA. It doesn't really work. It's really hilarious how bad this thing is. It looks cool. It looks really good. It goes really well with the aesthetic of the apartment. I always face it this way because I feel like if I face it towards the building, it would be super creepy. So I'm always like, make sure that it faces that way and people don't think you're, peeping on them. This is another lamp that I bought recently. I really like the way that it looks. Ambient lighting, it looks really nice, and I put it here so it doesn't block the view as well. This is my newest plant. This is something that I was really excited to pick up. I love the albino features of this plant. I just got it recently, so I've been keeping an eye on it and making sure that it does okay. The couch was a lot longer when I got it, and it was just a little too long for the living room. So because it's a modular couch, I took the middle part out and I just placed it over here. In this little nook here, I have my bar cart. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not too much of a drinker. Whenever people come over, I like to make drinks, but lately, I really haven't been drinking that much, and that's because I started wearing my Whoop, this fitness tracker that I wear around my bicep that you guys are always asking about, and it really tells me that my recovery is horrible after I drink, and that had a big impact on me, and I started drinking a lot less. Over here is a frame of a photo of Rio de Janeiro. I'm not from Rio, but I am from Brazil, and every time I look at this, I'm just reminded of Brazil, reminded of my family who still lives out there and who I go to visit once or twice a year. Over here we have this countertop where I have dinner, meals. I don't have a dining room table here. I don't have a dining table. It was by choice. I don't think that the space really allows for it in this apartment. This is the little kitchen. If you've been following me for a while, you know I'm not a cook. I can't cook. You don't want to eat my food. So what I do is I actually order prepped meals, and I just put them in the fridge and I eat them as I go. I also order out once in a while or go and have dinner with friends. So I really don't use this kitchen. My assistant Megan also cooks once in a while. She'll cook lunch for herself, lunch for me. One of the best things about this apartment is this right here. This is a coffee maker, and I love this coffee maker so much. It's something that I really never thought I'd have. I make my coffee here every afternoon. I have usually my pre-workout in the morning, coffee in the afternoon, and that keeps me going. If you want to add milk, you can. It just makes all sorts of coffee drinks, which I'm a big coffee guy right now. So I do have a wine cooler here too. Like I said, I don't drink a lot at home, but when people come over, it's always nice to have some wine, especially if you have a wine cooler. So it just made sense to kind of stock it up and have some wine here waiting for my guests. So I keep a few bottles here. People come over, we have a glass of wine, maybe a bottle of wine, chat, have a good time. Let me show you my fridge. It's looking a little sad right now, so don't judge me. I feel like this is really personal right now. I'm gonna get judged, but it's kind of empty. There's like nothing in there. It's literally drinks, pre-workout, Prime, protein bars, hot sauce, eggs. It's looking really plain right now, but it doesn't usually look like this. It looks a little better, but not much better. Not much better. It's just missing my meals, to be honest with you, which got delivered today and I didn't pick it up. Moving on to where I spend the majority of my time, this is my office. As you walk in, you see my 1 million subscriber gold play button from YouTube. So this is the office. I just added all of this decor recently. It actually feels really nice in here. It used to be not really that comfortable to work here every single day. And my videographer, Rodrigo, who's shooting this video right now and will be editing as well, he usually sits right here. So comes in. This is really just a nice, relaxing workspace for us. We're putting out a lot of content, so I needed the space to be really conducive to being creative. And there's nothing more conducive to creativity than this view right here. I mean, this is, in my opinion, just the best view in the entire apartment because it's just water. I look outside, I see just so many cars, so many people, so much movement, helicopters, the Brooklyn Bridge, FiDi. It just, to me, it's so inspiring to see all of the movement in New York City. Every time you look outside, there's something to look at. I could sit here and look outside for honestly hours because there's always something changing. It's something that just never gets old. I'm so grateful for this view and for this apartment, and to be able to work here every single day and look outside. It's very inspiring to me. This is the battle station. We got a big ass monitor just because I like to have a bunch of tabs. I am multitasking a lot. I have a lot of things going on. So for me, it was important to have, a pretty big monitor, a really nice workstation so I can keep track of all of my things. I got a Herman Miller chair. It's very comfortable. I have this Journey mouse pad, which I think is super cool because it charges my phone, it charges my AirPods. I have my speakers, my Google Assistant, my computer deck, and of course my AirPod Maxes as well, which I use once in a while. And the newest addition to the office here, something that excites me every day I come in here and I turn them on, is the neon signs, the Forte series neon sign, my men's grooming line, and then ATOS, my clothing brand. It just looks so cool. I come in here and it just reminds me of the brands, and it makes me want to work to make them bigger, to make them better every single day, and develop new products that are exciting for me and for you guys watching this video. In these baskets, I keep all of my equipment. So there's a lot of camera equipment, there's a lot of cables, all the things that you need. I also keep this really cool, as the fashion influencer, not men's fashion, overall fashion influencer of the year of 2021 from the American Influencer Awards. This is the OG 100,000 subscriber silver play button that I got many years ago, and my YouTube channel was still called Made in Brazil. Recently, I also got this whiteboard, which is super cool. Write a ton of stuff in there. Might be my favorite part of the office. This is a love sack, and it's just the most comfortable seat in the house. There's nothing more comfortable than this. It's incredible, and you got this view in front of you. It's just, this is it right here, guys. This is living the dream right here. All right, I'm gonna show you something special, all right? This is a bathroom. But it's a bathroom that I don't use because, as you can see, it's a storage bathroom. But I also need a lot of space. I get a lot of things, and I get a lot of product development samples, for example, for my brands, just the space that I need to put my things in here. And of course, this is an office for us to work in, so nobody takes a shower here. Which then means that if nobody's taking a shower here, it doesn't get humid in here. And if it doesn't get humid in here, it allows me to have my fragrance collection in here. This is my fragrance collection, and I always love opening this up before I go out. And I'm not gonna lie, sometimes I spend 5 minutes here just pondering, what do I wanna smell like today? What do I wanna feel like? What's the right fragrance for the right vibe? And I'm definitely overthinking it, but it's kind of fun at the same time. Don't worry, like I said, no one takes a shower here, so these fragrances are safe. All right, follow me into the YouTube studio. This is where I shoot all of my YouTube videos that you guys see. And before we get there, I just want to show you this here real quick because this is something that's really cool to me. I went to Miami Art Basel for the first time a few months ago in December and absolutely fell in love with these pieces and just the way they move. And what I like about them is that they look so different from anything else that I have here. I needed something that stood out in this hallway, and I thought that was the perfect time to invest into some art. Now, as you walk by them, you come over here, and this is the YouTube studio. We just redid this YouTube studio, so if you go back, even 3 months ago, 2 months ago to the YouTube channel, this looked completely different. So I decided, let's change the wallpaper. Let's add some acoustic wooden panels here. So there's felt, so it limits the echo in here, but as you can hear, it's still a little bit echoey in here. This is my favorite desk. And it's funny because I don't really use it. It's got this just waterfall effect, and I just love the way that it looks, especially with this chair. One really cool thing is this painting here. And if you have been following me for a while, you know that this is actually a painting of me. And I love it because I'm not in it. So it's not like I have a painting of, you know, my face here and it looks kind of narcissistic in a way, right? So no one even knows that this is me when they come in here, which is super cool. Now, these wooden panels, I love the way they look. And one cool thing about them is that you can just turn on a light. So it adds this really nice mood, soft lighting to the room. I put this vase here mostly to hide just that plug there, and I think it looks really good in the YouTube videos as well. So the thing is, I have 3 bedrooms in this apartment, right? And it's mostly being used for work, YouTube studio, the office, but I also needed it to be a guest room because I do have guests that come in once in a while and I didn't have a place for them. So what I decided is to put this Murphy bed in here, and this actually comes down and turns into a very comfortable queen size bed with a memory foam mattress. So it's actually really comfortable for guests. They can come, they stay here, they can use this desk to work if they want to. It's a nice space, they got the view. All right, let's get to where the magic happens, the master bedroom right in here. This bedroom is a dream for me, honestly. This is the first time that I've ever been able to fit a king bed into a bedroom, and it's just so comfortable. It's so nice to be able to just spread out. I don't spend a lot of time here. Since I have 3 bedrooms and I have my office here, it just doesn't make sense for me to spend too much time here. But there are weekends I'm not feeling good, or if I just want to chill, I definitely throw on the TV and I hang out here for a little bit watching Drive to Survive. Above the bed, I haven't really figured out what I want to do yet, so you can see it's not hanging, it's just kind of chilling here. And this is an art piece by my tattoo artist, Oscar Caramel. The guy is an absolute legend, so I'm happy to just have his work not only on my body, but also here at home. I have matching nightstands here. I bought these 2 lamps that I thought were really cool. Tom Ford book, of course, is a must. Over here, made a nice little nook, little corner situation here. This is a Friends and Son chair. It's super cozy and comfortable. I love the design. And I put my Taylor guitar right next to it because once in a while, I just come here, sit down, play the guitar, especially on the weekends. There's nothing better for me to just hang out here and chill. This is my first ever plant that I bought. It's seen better days. I'm trying to save it, but I think I overwatered it. And apparently with snake plants, that's a really big issue. So, you know, I'm learning as I go here, rolling with the punches. Over here, this is kind of, you know, my treasure chest. This is where I keep all of my necklaces, my rings, you know, I have some bracelets, literally everything I would ever need when it comes to accessories. The TV is an LG 55 or 65 inches. Honestly, I've had this for a while. I got it in LA. I have a nice little Aston Martin book here. On this side, I have another one of those lamps. I think I got them on Etsy, to be honest with you. A couple of books, another Aston Martin book, and a Creed book. My watch stand, a candle, my Google Home so I can set an alarm at night or play music or turn off all of my lights. It's really nice just having the Google Assistant here with me. This wall felt really empty, so I wasn't sure what to put here, but I just feel like the mirror really opens it up and brings more light in here, and it's also a lot of fun. Something I really like about this bedroom is how big this entryway is. And at first I wasn't sure what to do with it because it is kind of an awkward space, even though it's a big space, but decided to put this bench and the frame. My closet is right here. So I like to bring out my shoes, change shoes here before I head out, and that works really well. So it ended up being very useful after all. All right, let me show you the master bathroom now. This bathroom is honestly a dream. It's so interesting. When I was looking for an apartment, I'm looking for things that the typical person probably doesn't care for, but I needed a long, spacious bathroom, not because I need it for myself, but just because we shoot a lot of videos in this bathroom. So I was looking at measurements and trying to see if I could fit a tripod in here, or if I could, you know, if I could have my videographer Rodrigo like over here or there. So there's a lot of things in this apartment that I had to think of from a creator's perspective and not really like, oh, I'm living here. What kind of bathroom do I want for myself for personal use? And you know, there's a big mirror, which means we can shoot videos coming from the mirror. This does annoy me a little bit, having these lines here. I think it annoys Rodrigo more than anyone. It's like, oh, I wish the lines weren't there. Besides that, I love this bathroom. Honestly, it's a big ass shower, big shower head, You know, we have eucalyptus up there. It smells really nice. And the floor, my favorite part of this bathroom, the floor is heated. And Rodrigo's nodding his head right now because he's got socks on and he's like, yeah, it's so nice coming in here at night. You know, I gotta go to the bathroom, wake up in the middle of the night, coming here, and I step into the nice warm floor. It's just so relaxing and so nice. It's something that I had never experienced before, so I really, really like it. This is where I keep all of my grooming products. We just launched the beard oil, for example, which is so addicting. I feel like every time I come in here, I put it on. It just adds that natural shine to my beard, and it's our newest product with Forte, so it's something that I'm very excited for. But I love this medicine cabinet. As much as we don't like the lines for shooting, I didn't have a mirror that opened like this, a medicine cabinet in LA, so I had to put everything underneath. And I really actually appreciate having the extra storage, being able to put everything back here. All right, behind this door, we have my closet. I don't know if I've ever showed my entire closet before, but here it is. I am so grateful that I have a walk-in closet because, as you know, I have a lot of clothes. You know, I need them for styling. I need them for different events and different videos that I make, you know, but I have all of my jackets here and then some like shirt jackets, cardigans, and then shirts. This is the only closet I'm going to show you. I do have 3 or 4 closets, but this is the main big closet. The other ones are not walk-in closets. I have all of my shoes in these really neat display boxes here that I got from IKEA. I have all of my pants here. And then I have this style of hanger here, which I think is super cool because it hangs up like this on the rod, but then you can just create space by letting one of them drop. I added these hanging shelves because I didn't have enough room for my sweaters. As you can see, they take a lot of space, and this was the perfect Amazon find. Fits in really nicely here. I have all of my ties and belts right here, and then I have my actual caps right here in this dock that I purchased recently, and I think it just keeps everything really nice and neat. All right, let's step into the bathroom here. This is the guest bathroom. It's the bathroom that I don't typically use, but my assistant Megan uses it, Rodrigo uses it, and then anytime I have a guest. But it's funny, when I first walked into this bathroom, I was like, it's kind of ugly. I don't really like the tiles. It's kind of weird. I don't know why they did that. After some time, I realized that I actually really, really like this bathroom. I love the way it looks on camera. It matches the Forte series aesthetic, my brand's aesthetic, really well. So anytime we're shooting something, it just looks really clean, really good. And it's a nice guest bathroom. We have a shower, right? We have a bathtub over here, which I don't think I've ever used. I'm not gonna lie. I don't think I have ever used this bathtub, and I'm just realizing that as I'm doing this video now, which is kind of sad. It's a nice bathroom. Rodrigo spends like 30 minutes a day in here. I don't even know what he's doing in here. Living here has been an absolute dream, and it's been really fun hanging out with you guys, but it's time for you to go. And Rodrigo, you gotta go.
Are you serious right now?
Yeah.
Can I at least get my bag?
No, I got a girl coming over. Can you have this edited by tomorrow?
No.
Tomorrow, please. Thanks, bye.